Hey guys, Gramps here. Gonna make another video on how to fix a rim leak. What's a rim leak, you asked? No, not that kind of rim leak. It's on a tire when you have a slow leak. Here, I'll show you how to tell. Now, you see that? That's I put some of this mixture of soapy water just on the rim a few minutes ago. And if it looks like that, you got a rim leak. It's usually a slow leak, and it's, you got to fill your tire up once a week or something like that. And I'll show you how to fix that up with just using these tools here. That's what we're going to use. That little bit of safety equipment, of course the air hose, air tank. Now a little background on these rims and tires. I got them for the rims just because they were a good deal, but they came with these tires, and unfortunately they were leaking, and the tires aren't much good. In fact, they're pretty much toast. They're right down to the tread wear indicators. You can see right here and here and here, they're like right down. These things are toast, but they're good for a spare or doing burnouts or whatever. And if you're wondering what they should look like, in contrast, here's one of the tires I run on my big trucks. And this is brand new. You can see this, it's even got the tits. It still even has the sticker on it. And where's the tread wear indicator here? Right here. You see that? You can see how deep that is, right? So if your tire looks like this, it's done. Time for new tires. Anyway, we'll show you how to fix this rim leak. So stand by, we'll get set up here. I'm a one-man show, so it's kind of tough. So first thing we're going to do is let the air out of the tire, and then get the tire off the rim. Here we go. So first you got to remove the core. Use my coring tool. Hopefully you can see what's going on here. Okay, battery's showing low, so might have to show this in steps. Time to get a new battery. Turn this water off. I'm going to use WD-40 or your favorite lubricant. Hope you haven't run out. Handy screwdriver. And just pry down. This is usually the toughest part, breaking a bead. I used to put a tire in the back bumper of my truck and use a hydraulic jack to break the bead. But I found I can do it just about as fast by hand, like this. This is the old screwdriver. That's all rounded. That's what you're going to use the screwdriver for, is this kind of stuff. Scraping stuff and like that. This is a tire iron I picked up at Princess Auto. I can't remember how much I paid for it. They don't cost that much, but I don't have a tire machine of my own, so I gotta use it. Do this. Do it manually. There we go. The other side. Yeah, actually let's show you this first. Use the other end, his side. This, grab the other one. Same deal. I don't know if you can see all the crud on there. A lot of crud on this tire. Okay. Bead on the other side. Oh, here's one little trick. You got a weight on. You want to put it on the same, back in the same place. So put a mark here where you can line it up later. And then you won't have your tire out of balance, or at least it'll be the same as what it was before. And I'll also mark the outside of the tire, just so I don't get it messed up. I've only got the one weight, so it shouldn't be too hard to figure out. Okay, and let's do that again. Now, one of the keys to these things is when you're pulling off the tire, it's got to go in this space here. Right here, it can't be here. Otherwise, you're going to have you just won't be able to get the tire off. Well, you might, but you might wind up destroying it too. steel toe boots on. Safety first, you know. Oh, what am I doing? It's got to come off the other side. Had an old-timers moment there. This has got to come off this way. So, it's got to come off the front of the rim. Now this one, you take your bar, push it in like this. Just like that, you get the rim off. So, you can see all the nastiness on this rim. Obviously the tire shop that put these tires on didn't give a shit and didn't clean up the rims. Or some do-it-yourselfer did it, but I kind of doubt it. Now's the time to inspect the tire. Looks fairly decent on the inside. If you find a whole bunch of like black rubber crumblings in it, that means the tire's been run flat and it's toast. Don't use it if that's the case. So you can run your hand around here and inspect it carefully, see if there's any screws or nails or anything like that in there. This actually looks pretty good, so we're just going to clean it up. How are we doing here? Still recording. Holy shit. Okay, so battery's still good. Okay, we're going to take our drill, put our equipment on, put the leather gloves on because these things will grab on here and cause you grief. And you don't want to cause injury, so we're just going to clean these up. This, actually, use the other one. You're always supposed to unplug that before you change